Om Grabhyo Namah Gam Ganapatiye Namah Om Hum Namate Namah Ram Ramaya Namah Om Mati Shri Namo Namah Om Mata Pita Charana Kamalebhyo Namo Namah Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Grabhyo Namah. Venus in Taurus sign, and this video is especially for Capricorn sign. This is the very beautiful time period for Capricorn sign because in the Trikona Bhava, the lord of that fifth house, Venus, is now it is his in own house. And every year is a very minimum and few time period for this kind of planetary transit or the position, particularly for Capricorn sign. Fifth lord is in fifth house. And naturally, this is the great moment. Though since last 1 year in this house, Master Jupiter, Guru Jupiter was here. But it was the separate kind of result in the life of Capricorn human. But this is the best time period because though it is a very minimum time period, but the another negative part of this transit is this Venus is aspected by Saturn. Though no problem, these are friendly house for Saturn and also the best friendship with the Saturn and Venus. And the transit, when certain aspect to this Venus, no doubt there is many more kind of negative results are there, but this is the time period for the positive affirmation, and this is the good and best time period for release down and to move towards the solution towards your relationship, particularly for Capricorn sign. And if you know how to get rid of away or how to give away or how to right lending, no crash lending on account of your relationship, this is the right time place. Because when maximum planets are in the good situation, and though it is a 6 and 8, but no problem, this is Viparita Raja Yoga. In this time period, I just not want to explain why this is Viparita Raja Yoga type plant transit, but this time period when Venus come to this place, better this is the time for Capricorn sign to make their relationship in a smooth landing or smooth solution in their life. Why? Because when the Venus is in its own house, then the thinking process and the emotional process and the matter of this fifth house is love, relation, children's and education and regaining of knowledge in your life on account of Venus related. And Venus means your love relationship, your affairs, and your positive upliftment of emotion. Though it is, again I may say, this is small time, but this is the only right time for make your relationship in a good manner, good way. Convert it in a good way. The path are, though I explained it in Test Astrotherapy Sanjay G75 in my Hindi channel, the complete elaboration about this subject. It may publish in, I think, today evening. But in my English, this is the only small two tips. One is whether you save or you come get away by the knowledge of astrology, that you know everything is nothing but only it is a water bubble and the Maya of this Jagat. This is the one way. And another way is giving positive affirmation to your mind. When you your mind is in negative thinking process, thought process, that she will never come to my life again, or she may call me, or he may call me, better to you start. And another part, this is the right time zone. And another part is give good and positive affirmation, feelings, not word, not thinking, feelings. That she is very good, thank you, I love you, and she will her relationship with me is in good zone, and we re-establish our relationship. Though every relation is temporary. This is another knowledge part of the astrology. You may go these two paths, whether complete sannyasa bhava and another is complete attraction and involvement with the relationship. This is the true path, though it is very short. It is no need to explain detailedly. You people are most more intelligent people. I think you must understand my feelings when the fifth lord is in its fifth house. Thank you.